Okay, so let's talk about frameworks. Simply put, a framework is my step by step process on how I accomplish something. And this particular framework is my process for monetizing my knowledge like a collegiate institution. So, just briefly, I've been a college instructor, so I'm familiar with how they structure classes, provide information, and accept payment from students. So, this is the logic I use to create my own business. When you're going to college, you're paying tuition sometimes on a semester, monthly, yearly basis in exchange for somebody else's knowledge and experiences. And that's exactly what I do with my business. So, to begin, you need to determine what idea, what knowledge, what experience you have that can be broken down into multiple topics. Still going with the college example, when you start school, there are multiple courses you have to take in order to get your desired outcome. There's not just one course you take and then all of a sudden you have your degree. Instead, there's a journey that the school takes you on. And so that leads into the next point. Writing out the journey you'll help your clients achieve. With the college example, when you come in as a freshman, they're taking you on a journey through your college career to teach you the knowledge and information you need in order to excel in your actual career. The same thing needs to happen with your clients, whether it's a weight loss journey or a journey to becoming a better parent, whatever it is, your client is starting here and needs your help to get in a better position. So, what journey could you help your clients achieve? Next, you want to be able to set up their payments on a recurring basis. You don't want to have to chase people down each month or every week or every 2 weeks, however often you're charging. You don't want to have to chase them down to remind them to pay. In chasing them down to remind them to pay or sending invoices, you give them the option to rethink the value of your services each month. So instead of sending an invoice and saying, hey, please pay me, or sending a Cash App reminder saying, hey, please pay me, choose a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, others that allow you to automatically bill people or automatically charge them on the set due date. Then be sure to sell the benefits. Benefits are completely different from features. And a prime example are, let's say, laptop computers and tablets. If you're old enough, you remember when computers used to be really big, extremely big, too big to carry back and forth from different places. So when someone's trying to sell a new tablet or a new laptop, you don't really talk to people about how much RAM it has or how much space it has or how many gigabytes it can hold or how fast it goes. You really just sell on the point that you can take your computer with you. It's not a big computer that has to sit at your desk. It's handheld. It can fit in your pocket. It can fit in your book bag. You sell things like that, the benefits. So this is just to get you started thinking about how you can set your knowledge up to start bringing in income on a regular basis, just like a college does. And briefly, you figure out which idea that you have that can be broken into multiple topics. Write out the journey you'll help clients achieve. Choose a payment processor that allows you to charge them on a monthly basis without having to send an invoice. And then be sure to focus on the benefits your clients will receive versus just selling the features. I hope this helps. And if you're interested in getting hands-on help going through each of these parts to curtail it to your business idea or even trying to figure out your business idea, be sure to sign up for the Financial Exodus Clique. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your day.